Good morning, crypto traders. How you're doing? Right in this video, I'm going to be showing you a hidden secret on how to figure out coins that will perform so well on a daily basis. Okay, you can use this strategy to actually trade on the Binance futures. This is a very brilliant strategy. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your app store and download the app called Crypto Bubbles. But if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I want you to use this medium to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button right now. Turn on your bell notification icon so you get updated when I post latest videos. Okay, so you head over there and then you download the app. In your case, it's going to show you to download and install, but I already have this app right here on my phone. So I'm going to click on open Crypto Bubbles and it's actually loading up for me. So you can see here it's showing 24-hour volume plus week, and it's actually showing the day. So you can see all of these coins here in different bubbles. The bigger ones are coins that are performing pretty well, so we'll ensure that we select some of these coins that are doing better, okay, with a bigger bubble, and then we trade on them because they are in a trend. So we head over to Binance to confirm. We head over to Binance and then we confirm. Remember, we saw a coin called Waves just now. Let's go back and confirm better. You can see Waves, Rune, ANC, XMRO. I want to be going with Waves, okay? I like this coin a lot because it's always in a trend. We're going to check it on Binance, Waves, and Gala, and maybe a few others, all right? To confirm what we are saying. Good. I'm loading up my Binance now, so have patience while this populates. All right, so now let's click on Waves. I'd already searched for it before. Let's click on Waves and let's wait for it to populate. Let the chart come up so we see what we're seeing. Good. You can see Waves in the past had been on an uptrend, but now it's solely consolidating. Why? This is the BTC effect, okay? BTC is consolidating, so most of other altcoins are actually going to consolidate alongside with BTC, okay? Now let's search for something else. Let's search for Rune. You can see this coin actually has been in an uptrend. You can see the higher lows and higher highs. You can see the higher lows and higher highs, and it's suddenly starting to move up again. You can see the Bollinger band squeeze here. I'm gonna post a video on how to use the Bollinger band very soon, so subscribe to this channel so you don't miss it. That's going to be my next video. It's a hot strategy, okay? You can see the Bollinger band squeeze here is popping up, meaning this coin is most likely going to head over to the upside. All right, now let's see what it's saying to confirm what I'm saying in a lower time frame. Let's say 3 minutes. Good. You can see what I'm saying here. Although there's a rejection here, but this coin is most likely to maintain an uptrend for a short period of time. So if you are scalping on futures, Binance futures, this is going to be one of your major strategies to use. All right, guys, so that should be the end of this video. Ensure you actually subscribe to this channel and wait for my next video, which is going to be on Bollinger band. Okay, Bollinger band is an indicator that you can use on your Binance. Okay, I'm going to be talking in depth about that, so don't miss that video for anything. Click on the subscribe button right now and turn on your bell notification. Cheers, guys.